सर्वांना मानाचा स्वाभिमानाचा निळा कडक क्रांतिकारी जय भीम. This is Yash Anand Ramteke. I belong from Tiroda, and in this 130th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, we are celebrating this online workshop, and the 130th birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, the biggest festival of India, not overall in India, but in world, not in only world, the biggest Jayanti which we celebrate in all the universe. This is world record that in 155 countries this Jayanti celebrated of B.R. Ambedkar, and this is proud moment for all of us. The ideology of B.R. Ambedkar, how we celebrate the Bhim Jayanti. This Corona pandemic year, COVID-19 pandemic year, we can't gather each other at place, and we can't gather each other at place, and most important thing that our abhivadan, our respect, our moral, that how we celebrate and how should we celebrate Bhim Jayanti. That not only dancing, not only dancing on floor or of DJ, just incrementing the ideas of B.R. Ambedkar, the ideology of B.R. Ambedkar, what they tell us, and how we celebrate Bhim Jayanti. The most important thing, whenever we see that in every country in our India, we mainly celebrate Bhim Jayanti by dancing, but the most important thing, we should take their ideology, how they study, how they do work for us, and how we are living now. The biggest favor of B.R. Ambedkar to us, in for our society, not only for our society, to the India, their contribution, B.R. Ambedkar contribution to the India is most important thing, and not any minister has that type of contribution to India that B.R. Ambedkar has. The person who made a record in England University, that he completed his PhD in 3 years. That's the record of England University. And the most important thing is ideology of B.R. Ambedkar. How should we celebrate this Jayanti? Mainly we does a work in this library. We mainly go to villages and motivate people, and tell them the seriousness of education. How should we take this topic seriously? And in our India, the condition is going bad day to day, and I think the Baba Sahib ideology to tell that we must take higher education. Our society must get educated and organized, but that is only possible due to education, and the most powerful weapon in now's time in our hands. Because without education, we can't just sit, we just can't get a place to live. Education is most important thing, which Baba Sahib, how Baba Sahib learn, how Baba Sahib take the education. The most important thing that Baba Sahib had taken his 22 hours to his study at that condition, and we have that, and Baba Sahib at that time don't have any facilities at that time, and we have that facilities, and our must work to complete it, our studies, higher studies, and must go our society proud. We are because Dr. Ambedkar has the most important thing. How should we take that implement on 14th April, 14 April? Not only remembering B.R. Ambedkar only 1 or 2 hours. Our most important thing, moral, is that to always take our education first, and at least we have to study hard for our dream. With the seriousness, with the agitation, we have to give our best to our studies, because our ideals, Mahatma Phule, B.R. Ambedkar, what they tell us, because study is most important thing. And I always just read books of B.R. Ambedkar, Mahatma Phule, what they tell us, what they tell to our society, that education is must in our lives, because today's condition is very bad and going bad to bad day by day. We have number of facilities, but same here we have number of excuses. How should we study? How should we give our best to our education? What is real moral of education? Not only taking degrees, because B.R. Ambedkar has infinite degrees, but the moral of that degree, exact moral of the degree is that as we Ambedkarian students, we must go for social political topic, and not only moral of degree of education, taking education to the moral of this online seminar is to tell the real ideology of B.R. Ambedkar, the methodology of B.R. Ambedkar. That champions aren't made in gym. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a dream, a desire, a vision. A successful profession thrive in the same manner, and we all have to thrive in the same manner. As we are finding our success, but we must know that success is walk in the dark. As a student, we can't become a president, we can't become a prime minister, but we can hope to reach this post in our future life. Our life is something like a trumpet. Our life is something like a trumpet. Whenever we could not put anything in, we could not get anything out. The most important thing, how we give to our education, to our society. That is most important thing. And the methodology of smart is not making smart. The proper education, that specific, we have to become specific, measurable, realistic, time bound, and acrostic. The most five pillars of this education system. What is B.R. Ambedkar? How should we understand B.R. Ambedkar? That is, Baba Sahib gave 22 vows. They said, I started my new generation, I start my new life in this technology. And Baba Sahib always said that if my society has to get at upward position, we must have to read. And this moral of this 14 April, the birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti, has to not only cracking that crackers, dancing on DJ. The most important thing, that we have to read the methodology of B.R. Ambedkar, how they tell us and how should we tell, and how should they tell us. My only suggestion to you, that celebrate Bhim Jayanti with reading their ideology, with reading our inspiration ideology, and our society will get higher position. Thank you.